Well, good afternoon. It's Saturday, and in my world that means auto repair, or in my case, auto dismantling. This is a 2005 Nissan Frontier right here, and I'm parting it out. Yep, its useful life is over. So this video is going to show you how to remove the inner door skin on the passenger door. Driver door is very similar. And then if you stick around long enough, the mirror. That's why I'm taking the door skin off, but maybe you just care about the door skin. You'll see that at the start. Okay, so door skin removal. Don't mind the excavator noises. That's just the neighbors burying the evidence. You got to remove this piece in here. So a little pry tool, pop that out like this. Do it when it's cold so you break things. That's always good. I'll need both hands, but you got the idea. It helps you to see the back side, and that's what it looks like. So that's what you're trying not to break. So you're prying that out of there, and then you could reach in the top if you wanted. Pry that one out, and there's one on the bottom. Or you can just pull and hope for the best. In my case, I don't care because I'm not trying to save it, but that's to expose that bolt. Next, we're gonna pry this off. A little pop right here, and it should come right out. See it on the back side. This is what it looks like. There's clips all around it. These kind of clips. Right there, they line up right there, right there. There's what it looks like. We did that to expose these two bolts. So we're gonna take this out, we're gonna take this out, we're gonna take this out. They're probably all 10 mil, and then we should be able to get the doors. They're all out. Next, we're gonna get in underneath here, and you just gotta pop. There's little push rivet things that you just gotta pop them out. There you go. Again, do it when it's good and cold, and then you break things. And then the whole thing will swing out. You can see it swinging. And we're just gonna lift it up. I'm gonna grab here, right here, pick it up, and the whole thing should come right off. Here we go. There it is. Door skin is removed. Now there's a wiring harness. If you really want to remove it, you've got to unplug that right there. Again, I don't care. I'm just in here to get out a mirror, and the plug for that is right back in here. So I'm going to peel that back. I'm gonna get at this wiring harness that runs to right here. That is actually the plug for the mirror. So if you came to this video to learn about door skins, we're done. If it helped you, well, click the subscribe thing. My kids tell me I could buy a coffee someday. If it didn't, well, you were warned. I'm not an expert, just a hack in his backyard. You can probably do it. If you're sticking around for mirrors, here we go. I'm gonna pop this thing out because that is where the plug is on the other side. I know this already because I've been around the driver's side. This plug's easier to get at, it's easier to see, which is awesome. This is a push the tab, but you can figure it out. This wire right here is the one that goes up to the mirror. So everything is free in here. Now we just need to get the mirror bolts out. If you've seen me do the other side, you know. If you haven't, you're about to find out. There's 1, 2, 3 of those push rivet things. You're just gonna pop them out. They're 2-piece. Pop the first piece, and then you can pull the second piece, just like that. Put them somewhere you're definitely gonna lose them, like up on the dash so they can fall down somewhere. Do the next one, pull them out. Do the next one, pull them out. My other side had double-sided tape that was stronger than the push rivets. This side does too. So I'm gonna take a tool and pluck that off there so I don't break the plastic. Maybe you should too. Now that the trim's removed, it's 3 10 mil bolts. 1, 2, 3, and the mirror will come right off in our hand. So don't take them completely out unless you're holding on to the mirror, because you know the mirror could come off in your hand. Now that it's free, you should be able to just maneuver it this way. That's the seal. You're going to want that with it, so we'll take that too. Yep. And the cord should pull right up out of there. We got our mirror. And that is that. As they say, assembly is the reverse of disassembly. I'm not gonna assemble. I'm done. My work here is finished. If it helped you, hit the red button. My kids tell me to say that, and I might be able to buy a coffee someday.